Hello again YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to discuss what I consider to be the most dangerous hand tool in the shop. There are a lot of dangers associated with almost all tools, but I think the most dangerous hand tool of all is the angle grinder. Why is the angle grinder most dangerous? I consider it potentially the most dangerous tool for a few reasons. It spins at high RPM and it sends metal dust and sparks everywhere. Grinder accidents occur from equipment failure as well as improper use. Okay, so never operate a grinder without a guard, don't do it. Also make sure that the maximum RPM of the wheel won't be exceeded for the grinder you're using. Never apply lateral force to the wheel like you see here. Do not stress the wheel in this way. As with any tool, only use as intended. Always check the disc or wheel for damage. Never over tighten the securing nut. A damaged wheel may fly apart, so be careful. Also, always stand outside the direction of rotation. If the wheel does fly apart, you don't want to be in the way. Alright, now let's talk recommended safety equipment. It's important to wear eye protection, goggles, glasses, face mask, whatever you can to protect your eyes and face. Do it. Material will fly everywhere. Also, hot metal shards will burn you. Protect your hands and arms. Okay, so the first two were obvious, but many people rarely consider two other very important pieces of safety equipment. Tools are loud, and although you may not think so, prolonged use of most power tools can cause hearing problems, so protect your hearing. Lastly, and what I consider to be the most overlooked protective equipment when working with an angle grinder, is lung protection. The angle grinder sends material everywhere. Metal dust as well as bits of the abrasive wheel you're using are going straight into your lungs if you choose not to wear any kind of respirator. Alright, so the equipment that I just discussed can apply to a wide range of tools, not only the angle grinder, so keep safety in mind when you're working in the shop. We've come to the end of the video now. Hopefully you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I ask that you go down, smash that like button, share the video with a friend, and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, work safely, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.